So guys, welcome back my another video. So guys, let's start the video. So today topic is दोस्तों यहाँ पे how to make Instagram account private. So guys, how to make Instagram account private. So video load, let's start. So guys, do not waste your time. Open the Instagram account. Guys, step by step follow me. So click your logo, Instagram account logo, downline logo. Click here your logo. Then guys, right up corner, three line guys. Right up corner three lines. Show your lock profile. Her. So click your account three lines. Click her. Three lines. Then click setting and privacy guys. Step by step follow guys. Click setting and privacy guys. So guys, please like or subscribe the channel. Please like one or subscribe the channel please guys. So guys, scroll down guys. See this account privacy. See, click her guys. Turn on your account private. Turn on and switch private. Look her. Click her. My account is a private guys. My account private. Okay. Turn off my account public. Turn off my account public. Okay. Or turn on my account private guys. Turn on my account private. So turn on. Look this back. My account. Turn on my account private guys. So guys, please like or subscribe guys. Please support a like or subscribe guys please.